Hey FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing and you hear my voice, please like and subscribe. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. Today I'm going to make another weight loss smoothie. Are you guys wondering yet if I'm losing weight? I'm trying. And here's my ingredients for today, guys. I'm going to be making a spinach avocado smoothie. So here I have a cup and a half of spinach, and I'm putting a whole avocado frozen right there. To this, I'm gonna have 1 tablespoon of flax seed. And to this, guys, I'm gonna have 1 scoop of my hemp protein powder. And you can use either, if you have almond milk or cashew milk. I'm gonna go in with a cup of almond milk, all right? And I'll see you guys after blending. And here is your delicious avocado and spinach smoothie with hemp protein. Enjoy! Fergie loves you. Bye-bye.